welcome back to my channel today. I do lots of unboxings, and today we're going to be unboxing one of the best self-care boxes out there. So if you guys have never seen this subscription box before, I know you're going to love it. This is the 180-degree subscription box. So we're going to be taking a look at the newest box, which is June 2024, and we're going to see what's inside. So like I said, this is a self-care, self-love box, and she does such a great job. So Arlene is a small businesswoman here in the US, and every single month she will curate a theme and then fill the box with a bunch of different products, but they're all going to be centered around that 180-degree lifestyle, just really rounding everything out. And it's all about you with this box. So it's self-care and self-love. And I feel like these make great treat yourself boxes because the products that you get, you want to use, obviously, and it almost forces you to just take a moment, take an evening, and have a little bit of self-care as well. So I love this box because it just reminds me like, okay, you're right. It's been a month. It's time now. I need to just take a moment for myself. So we're opening up the June 2024 box today. If you guys are interested in this subscription, I will have a link down below along with a discount code. The June box is currently sold out, so if you decide to purchase, you would receive the July box, but I'm sure it's gonna be just as good, you guys. Like, this box is always good. I can count on it to be a solid box every single month. So inside, my favorite thing is it says, "Hello, beautiful," and it has this gorgeous print. I love the inside of her boxes. They're just really well done. We also have a couple of goodies down below. So I think this is our first item. We have a sticker right here, which is really pretty. That is a gorgeous little flower. So we have the summer self-care and wellness activities to help spark joy. So she's given us a list of different activities, but then she's also got some self-care travel tips as well. So this will be something extra included in your box. And then she will also include a magazine that tells you about the theme and all of the products that are going to be in your box. We also have a spoiler for July. So it says, if you purchase now, you'll receive the July box. And the theme is staycation, which is my favorite kind of vacation, you guys. So that box I'm sure is gonna be really good because it's all gonna be at home. So let's get into our box. First item that I see on top looks like this. So this is like a pouch of some sort, I'm guessing. Let's see here. We've got definitely, oh, is this like a cosmetic bag? Yes, it is. So this is one of those toiletry bags that you can hang up while you're traveling. So inside we've got a zippered compartment here with a clear vinyl over the front. And then down below, lots of pockets. This is a mesh, but then there's more storage inside. It's a bigger one. You've got pockets here even. So there's all sorts of space inside of this one. And on the reverse side, there's another pocket. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Look at all of these items we have in here. I mean, I'm telling you guys, you get a lot for this subscription. So next item is from Water Drop. These are iced tea blueberry cubes that have real tea in them. Oh, so they're essentially a cube with white tea leaves and blueberry flavoring. And there's 12 of them in this box, and you just put them into water. And it says you're gonna want 14 to 20 ounces of water. You can even do sparkling water if you'd like. And then you're just gonna mix it up after they dissolve and then enjoy it. So this is different. I've not seen this before, but I like that there's no sugar in it. And it says it's made with real tea leaves, so that's good as well. Push to open, okay. Oh, look at that. Look at these cute little tablets. So they're all sealed individually. And then these are your little cubes, and you get the whole container here of your little tea. Okay, that's cute. Next item that we have is from CLLC. This is their body lotion. It's a moisturizing lotion. It's specifically designed for after your sun care. So if you do get burnt out in the sun, this will not only give you hydration, but it's also going to calm down the redness and have a cooling effect. This has aloe and witch hazel primarily in it to help give you that hydration and to calm everything down. So it says it will provide deep hydration and a long-lasting tan. This will soothe redness and inflammation, and it's also going to give it lots of hydration so that way you'll be able to not have flaky skin afterwards either. And it's designed to last for up to 24 hours as well. But full-size bottle here. So I can definitely see this box is designed with summer in mind. We have a little bit of Earth Harbor in the box. This is a full-size bottle of their Beach Waves. This is a sea salt hair texturizer. I've used this product before. It's great because it's very lightweight and it is all natural. It's just sea salt, and then you'll be able to spritz this into your hair. It will give you a little bit of lift since it's a texturizer. Typically what I will do is curl my hair and then spritz this on, and it will not hold it as tight as like a hairspray will. So that's how you'll get those beachy waves, is the curls will relax and it will hold it slightly, but it still will allow it to relax and not be like super firm like a hairspray will be. I hope that makes sense. I'm not a hairdresser, but that's just how I feel it works. So this is what it will look like here. And it's just going to be a clear mist. It has sea salt inside of this, and then also mango cream is one of their ingredients, but it's a very lightweight, natural formula, and your hair still feels soft even after putting it in too. This is a good product. And again, I get it for summer. We're going for the beachy waves vibe. Looks like we also have some snacks in here. So we have organic dehydrated banana. This one is a snack that only has banana inside of it, but it's all been dried. This is good until September of this year, so you've got plenty of time to eat this. Oh, and it looks like we have 2 of them. Yeah, this is another package here. So we have 2 of these where you're getting dehydrated banana. So again, if you're out at the pool, you got your little snack here, and then you've got your moisturizer for your aftercare as well. Next up, we have some ultra peeling foot masks from Vitamasks. These are exfoliating foot masks, and I will tell you, these do work. They're very effective. They're great for summertime because it will give you smooth feet and they'll be nice and soft and look great in sandals. However, choose your timing correctly because it's designed to be a peel where your skin will flake off and your skin is going to shed. If you decide to do this the night before a wedding, it's not going to be pretty. So wait and do this when you know you've got some time. So I would recommend doing it at home when you know you've got a week off, nobody's gonna see your feet, because whenever I have done these, it's pretty aggressive. It doesn't hurt, but it does get nasty when your skin start to peel. And I will say afterwards, you get this new layer of skin and it's so soft. They're so smooth. I feel like they worked incredibly well. But like I said, they can look a little ugly there at the start. So this is going to be 1 set of foot masks. And like I said, you just want to make sure that you give yourself enough time to use it. They'll typically peel for about a week total. So I would make sure you allow at least a week if you're gonna use that. So next item that we have is, I think, a set of 3. So I have 3 products in here from the Busy Company. So the first one that I have is a facial wipe. It's one biodegradable wipe and it will allow you to remove dirt and makeup and any oils. And it states that this will help to give you a glow to your skin because it's got vitamin C inside of it. But then we've also got a body wipe. So you'll use this everywhere else. And this will also give you a soft glow, but it's gonna remove any dirt or oils, things like that. So there's 2 body wipes and then 1 facial wipe inside. And the expiration on this is 2026, so more than enough time to use these. Oh, we even have a travel kit. So this will go great with the travel bag from earlier. So it's a set of 3 and they're reusable bottles. But when there's nothing in them, they actually will collapse flat and you can roll them up as well to get all your product out. So I have a couple of these actually, and I will just refill them with my shampoo or conditioner, whatever it may be. And then you can just squeeze them out and they hold 3 ounces. But like I said, since this is all flat, you can usually roll this down and get all of your product out. And then you just rinse them out and refill them and you use them again. The next item that we have is a Pineapple Punch Body Scrub. You're the pineapple of my eye. Okay, I love pineapple, you guys. So this one, I'm gonna open this up. I hope it smells like a really juicy pineapple. I really hope it does. So it states that it's a body scrub, which is great because pineapple actually has enzymes that will help to break down things naturally. So I love that it's got a natural ingredient that will do that. Oh my gosh. This smells like summer. It's definitely pineapple, but obviously there's sugar crystals in there to help exfoliate your skin. So it is a very sweet pineapple scent. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. And you can tell, you see those sugar crystals in there? So it is a thicker formula, but you can use this after you've shaved and rub it on. Oh, it makes your legs so smooth, you guys. Last item inside of our 180-degree box today is a free bonus item. So Arlene will typically surprise us and include one free bonus gift in your box. This one says, here's a free gift just for you. This is the Daisy Coaster set. And so you're gonna have 2 cork daisies here, and they're gonna be your coasters that you can use. So I'll go ahead and pull this out, that way you can see what it looks like, but you've got these adorable little daisy coasters. Aren't those cute? So that is everything inside of the 180-degree box. Isn't it cute? You guys, I told you were gonna love this. So I always just feel like it's curated very well. We definitely get a travel theme with this box. I love that it's all summer inspired though. Like even the pineapple is perfect, but you get all of these little cute travel things, and then you're all set for this summer as well. Like with the exfoliating foot peel, we've got the exfoliating body scrub, the cleansing wipes as well. All things that we're gonna need this summer. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think of this box. And again, if you're interested in signing up for her subscription, I will post that link and discount code down below. But until next time, beauties, have a great day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!